The widely discussed cryptocurrency, XRP, is once again in the news, this time as a result of a significant ruling by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The decision might make regular XRP investors millionaires. It's that big of a deal. I repeat, a single SEC ruling may hold the key to enormous cryptocurrency profits. I don't see why XRP is getting so much attention right now, or what makes this verdict unique. The decision's domino impact on the market will reveal the answer. Those who have been holding on to their XRP could benefit greatly from a price spike, as new projections indicate that XRP might reach an amazing $280.54 per coin. Big rewards may be in store for the patient. Let's explore the reasons why this SEC ruling is significant, and how it could impact XRP holders. Ripple and its native cryptocurrency have been embroiled in a legal struggle, which must be briefly reviewed first. XRP value. Ripple Labs has been under scrutiny from the SEC for more than 3 years due to allegations that XRP was sold without proper registration. The price of XRP has been fluctuating drastically due to investor bewilderment and anxiety. Optimists held out hope that Ripple would prevail in court, while pessimists dumped their XRP holdings. This most recent decision, however, may mark a turning point. The legal struggle might end if the SEC decides in Ripple's favor, signaling to the market that XRP is not a securities. As a result, corporations, organizations, and investors who were hesitant to put money into XRP before would do so now. Those who hang on to their XRP tokens may witness their investments grow in ways they never thought possible if the value of XRP were to significantly increase. A price of $280.54 for XRP is not completely out of the question. This forecast is based on reasonable grounds. As a first point, price gains have been observed in response to the news of the SEC's ruling, indicating a positive market reaction. Both institutional and individual investors would see Ripple's capacity to resolve its legal challenges as a major positive for the coin. This goes beyond the SEC decision though. In order to ensure its success in the long run, Ripple has been making smart measures in recent years. Partnerships with big banks and payment providers are only a few examples of the solid relationships the firm has established with the financial sector. Thanks to these partnerships, Ripple is well positioned to take advantage of the global expansion of digital payments. Ripple may take the lead in the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies in the international monetary system. As a result, the price of XRP has the potential to skyrocket. In fact, some industry watchers are projecting that it might hit $280.54 very soon. Now think about the consequences for those who have been holding on to their XRP if that price were to drop. Those who have stuck with it until the end may get a substantial payoff from the SEC's judgment. For XRP investors, it has been a wild journey, but they may be nearing the end now. Those who invested at lesser levels may witness returns that alter their financial future if the price of XRP reaches $280.54. It's also not an impossibility. The Bitcoin sector has previously witnessed growth of this kind. Take a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin. There were key moments in the history of both that caused their prices to skyrocket. It's possible that XRP will follow a similar trajectory. The future seems bright for XRP, as the SEC judgment may pave the way for wider adoption and a larger market valuation. This is the time to pay attention if you are new to XRP. There is a lot more to the SEC's judgment than meets the eye. It's essential for realizing XRP's full potential. Whether you've been a holder for a while or are just now learning about, now is the moment to learn what might be at risk. With a strong base and an obvious future, XRP has all the makings of a mainstream cryptocurrency. The entire cryptocurrency community will be in for a historic moment if the $280.54 forecast pans out. An unprecedented number of XRP holders are likely to become filthy rich as a result of the SEC's ruling. Have you what it takes to witness this cryptocurrency soar? Among the most discussed issues in the Bitcoin community is the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC. For a long time now, XRP has been embroiled in this heated dispute between Ripple and the SEC, who have accused Ripple of selling an unregistered security. Because of this, XRP's future is shrouded in doubt, which has sent its price tumbling and investors on edge. The most recent decision from the SEC, however, may finally be the turning point for XRP. If the court rules in favor of Ripple, XRP's legal standing would be clarified, and its price might skyrocket. Many investors are holding out hope that XRP will soon be able to escape the clutches of legal uncertainty and soar to new heights. As the market has responded positively to this news, the importance of this decision has been magnified for everyone keeping up with the court processes. Many investors have stuck with Ripple's XRP tokens through thick and thin, believing that the company would prevail in the end. While some did not invest in XRP at all, others dumped their holdings since they weren't confident about the outcome. With the SEC's verdict soon to be announced, Ripple's long-term investors may finally have their money's worth if the company is successful in court. With Ripple's possible exoneration from SEC charges, XRP may be able to function in a somewhat more secure regulatory framework.